Hi everyone, it's Susanna and welcome to the Semsah Fashion Channel.
There is no such thing as a way. When we throw away anything, it must go somewhere. The Story of Stuff by Annie Leonard. There is much said about the damage of fast fashion, the environmental and emotional impact on people around the world. Much of the time, this information can become very overwhelming, causing you to ask questions of what can I personally do that can make an impact? And they shall build the old waste. They shall raise up the former desolations, and they shall repair the waste cities, the desolation of many generations. Isaiah 61:3-4. We must learn to see the beauty out of all the waste. A decade of fashion industry experience has taught me the value of craftsmanship. Working with factories from development to delivery of products has given me knowledge of garment construction to share with you all. This is why I created Semsah, empowering people to revive, restore, redeem, and renew their wardrobe and become part of the positive movement to prevent clothing from going into landfills. You don't only learn to develop new skills that can be passed down onto the next generation, but become part of the solution, mending yourself and mending the world one stitch at a time. So join me in becoming fashionably conscious to revive, restore, redeem, and renew tutorials. Bye bye.